Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Asa Life. Today we'll be focusing on how to navigate Tokyo metro station. Traveling by metro from our hotel to Shibuya metro station through Hanjumon line. So if you want to travel by a metro, this is your map which you can refer. So it looks very overwhelming and confusing, so don't worry. I will explain step by step how to read this map and how can you travel by using this map. So let's get started. Metro system consists of 12 lines, each represented by a unique color and a letter number code for easy identification. For example, we have Asakusa line with a rose color, we have Mita line with a blue color, we have Shinjuku line with a leaf color, we have Ode line with a magenta color, and so on. We have different lines. This we have total 12 lines in Tokyo metro station. Each station or line is numbered sequentially. For example, on Hanjumon line, station range from Z01 to Z014. So let's take an example of traveling from our hotel till Shibuya metro station. Our first entry point is Kyoto station and our destination is Shibuya metro station. For that, it's clearly mentioned that I have to catch a purple line, that is Hanjumon line. In the map, you can see the station starts with a Z11 and station will end at Z01. So this is your number. So you have to catch a train from Z11 and you have to get down at Z01. That is your Shibuya metro station. Before going there, you should know on which what is your entry point and on which platform you should reach. So in the map it is clearly mentioned you should be on platform number 1 and your exit is A1. So let's have a live demo with this example. So this will be our metro station, Kiyosumi station, and we have to catch a Z11. So it's mentioned that entrance will be from B1 and we have to go to Z11. Plus there is a E14 also there, but that is not our destination. We have to go on the Z11 side. Just follow the marking. You can see Z11 is on the left hand side. This is your Hanjumon line. Just use your Suica card to get inside the metro station. Make sure that which platform you have to go. So here our platform number is 1, as we have to go Shibuya station. So it's clearly mentioned from Z11 to Z01. Plus you can find detailed station number and name on this map. So this indicator will show that yes, my train is arriving in 5:15. It's on time and we are going towards Shibuya metro station. So that's our train. The color is also purple, so it's clearly notation is there. It's a purple color train. I am on purple color line. On this display you can see the current status of the metro, in which station you are and which station you are going. So here it's clearly mentioned, okay, we are at between Z03 and Z02. Our destination is Z01 Shibuya metro station. So this indicator will also give you lots of information when you are getting out of the metro. You can see on the left hand side G0 it is, that is Ginja line is there, which you can change the train. Plus on the right hand side there is a Chiyoda line where you can change the train. Plus it will also show the indication where we can go for a escalator or there is a lift for us. So that's it, just follow your exit. Our exit is A5, so we are just going to follow the A5 indication and we'll go on the exactly the exit location. So with this video, you will be more confident following the Tokyo Metro map. So this was our video regarding the how to travel in a Tokyo Metro station with a proper navigation system. I hope you like the video. Keep watching and share. Bye. Take care.